So when I have conversations with potential clients and they want to know how can I build out a strategy for them, my first question is always, well, tell me about your target market. Usually I hear something, for chance of 200 or more employees. They have 200 or more employees. That's just not definitive enough. And if you don't have a clear and definitive ask, you will not get a clear and definitive yes. So stay on with me because today I'm going to share with you some ways that you can be very targeted with your market. And not only that, I'll share with you the LinkedIn tool that allows you to tap into your current network's network, which is a warm lead. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, what we want to do is we can go directly from our profile area. So just to show you back from the profile, you're going to be looking for this number, but on someone else's profile. Then we're going to go to My Networks. We'll go to Connections. So when you hit Connections, these show all of your most recent connections, but your connections in general. So let's go to this person's. So what we're going to do is we're going to find that magic 500 plus. Typically, it should be 500 plus. Some people have 196 or lower. It's a number of connections that you have. So we're going to hit onto that number. Now, this gives us an introduction into their network's network. Now, if you're looking for someone specific with a specific title based on a specific company, you can go in the search and find them. And then you can turn this into a warm introduction. So if you have any questions about this, if you really got value from this piece today, go ahead and share this and subscribe so you can get the notification of next time when we post. Thanks again.